Hey there, welcome back to Healthy Utopia. Today we've got a special treat for you, a quick and delicious recipe for a weight-gaining smoothie that's packed with all the right ingredients to help you on your journey. Let's jump right in. Banana. First up, we have our star ingredient, one ripe banana. Bananas are rich in natural sugars and provide a great source of energy to kickstart your day. Next, we'll add 4 tablespoons of roasted oats. These not only add a lovely texture, but also provide complex carbohydrates, giving you sustained energy throughout the day. Now let's throw in 4 tablespoons of roasted peanuts. They're loaded with healthy fats and protein, which are essential for muscle growth and repair. Adding pitted dates to smoothies can provide natural sweetness and a dose of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Dates are a good source of energy, potassium, and antioxidants. They can help support digestion, boost heart health, and provide a quick energy boost. To make our smoothie creamy and rich in protein, we'll add 200 grams of curd. This will also give your gut a healthy dose of probiotics, aiding in digestion. Time to blend everything together until smooth and creamy. Just look at that texture. Yummy. Can't wait to dig in. Remember, this smoothie isn't just about gaining weight. It's about gaining the right kind of weight, muscle, and energy. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this recipe with your friends. Until next time, stay healthy and stay happy.